Oh man, I was in extreme close-up mode. Have you ever done that?
Never.
Oh, okay. Oh, it happens to me sometimes. So today we're still in Cozumel, on the island of Cozumel. And we are going to do a walking tour again. Because of our scooter fiasco yesterday, we don't have wheels. And we walked half of the town yesterday, and now we're gonna go on the other half of the town today. And then hopefully get to this little public beach, if it's not like already packed with people. It's supposed to be like 40 minutes walking. Ooh. How do you feel about that, Venus?
Too long.
You gotta walk a long distance in this town if you don't have a ride. There's not much public transportation, and to get to the other side of the island takes quite a while. It's like impossible to walk. You need, even on a bicycle, it would be really hard. A scooter is necessary, car necessary. So yeah, you need your own transportation on Cozumel. I highly recommend it. And don't get robbed like we did. Got robbed of our scooter. Check that video out. I'll put the link up here. Okay, so we walked through town. Now we're going to Playa Caletitos. And that's where that big lighthouse is over there, you can see. It should be nice. I'm sure there's gonna be people there though.